Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today, we're going to compare Shopify and TikTok Shop. These two platforms that help you sell online, but they work in very different ways. So, by the end of this video, you'll know which one fits you better and why. But before we start, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below for a 3-day Shopify free trial plus the $1 per month offer. And you'll also get my complete Shopify course so that you can get everything set up with confidence. So, let's jump in. First off, a quick overview of both platforms. Shopify is made for building your online store. You get your own website, your own design, and full control over your business. You can add products, manage orders, accept payments, and grow your brand the way you want. It is great for people who want to build a long term business and keep everything under one place. On the other hand, TikTok Shop lets you sell directly inside the TikTok app. You do not have to create a full store or design a website. You just upload products, connect them to your videos or live streams. That's it. Since millions of people already use TikTok every day, it becomes easier to get eyes on your products quickly. This makes TikTok Shop a fun and fast way to start selling. Let's discuss their features. Shopify gives you tools for really almost everything. You can choose from many themes, install apps for marketing or shipping, use strong analytics to see what is selling best, and connect your store to places like Instagram, Amazon, and Facebook. You're also in control of your customer data, which helps a lot for repeat sales and long term growth. Shopify is built to grow with you, whether you sell 5 products or 5,000. The TikTok shop has a different kind of power. The biggest feature is, well, TikTok itself. A single trending video can bring a lot of traffic and a lot of orders very fast. You can tag products right inside of your content so that viewers can buy instantly without leaving the app. This makes buying super easy and actually really begins to drive impulse purchases. It's perfect for anyone who loves making videos or already has a TikTok audience. Next up, let's discuss ease of use. Shopify can take more time in the beginning. You need to build your store, add your products, and learn how everything works. But once you get it set up, managing your store becomes simple and smooth. TikTok Shop is quicker to start because everything is already there inside the app. If you can upload a video, well, then you can start selling. It feels very beginner friendly. However, there is a clear difference in control. Shopify gives you freedom to design your brand, build trust, and take care of your customers. You own your store. With TikTok Shop, you depend on TikTok's rules and TikTok's algorithm. If the algorithm changes, your sales can slow down. You cannot customize your shop the way you can on Shopify. Another thing to keep in mind is marketing. With Shopify, you have to bring traffic yourself through ads, search engine optimization, email marketing, or social media. It can take time, but you build your own audience. TikTok Shop gives you instant attention if your videos go viral, but it is not guaranteed and can change very fast. So, which one do you choose? If you want a real online store that you can grow, Shopify is the better choice. If you want quick sales from trends and you enjoy making videos, TikTok Shop might be perfect. And the smart move for many sellers is to use both. You build your main store on Shopify and use TikTok Shop to drive traffic and test new products. All right, that's it for this video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check the link below. You'll unlock the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. If this comparison helps you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.